Hello everyone, this printer is HP LaserJet 107w wireless printer designed for home offices and small workspaces. Key features: wireless connectivity. You can print from anywhere via Wi-Fi network. You can also connect this using a USB cable connection. This printer is compact design, space saving, fit easily on desks. Easy setup. Simply wireless setup via HP Smart app or HP app. Mobile printing. It supports HP Smart app, Apple AirPrint, Mopria for smartphones printing. Print speed up to 20 pages per minute. Print quality 1200 by 1200 dpi resolution. Paper capacity 150 sheet input tray. This printer is best suited for students, home users, and small offices needing reliable black and white document printing without high volume demand. We're going to unbox this and see what is inside. This is information pack in various languages. 2 power cables. One is 3-pin and this one is 2-pin. USB cable included in the packaging. And see what it looks like. This is the toner. The toner is 106A toner. The power cable go at the back. So you load paper. Switch this printer on and off from this button. This is Wi-Fi button. This button is resume, likewise cancel button. The power cable goes here. The USB cable go on the top. Connect the power cable. Plug it onto the socket. So switch this printer on. So we're going to load the paper. So this is how to load the paper. And also, if you want to load the toner, you open up this and bring the toner out. So this is where the toner goes. Then you put the toner, push it in. It's using 106A toner is what it's using. Then once you're done, gently close it. Then you give the printer time to warm the toner up. So this is how to load paper and also install the ink toner. Thank you.